Hi children, how do you do all? I hope that you are all doing good and staying home safely. So welcome to the video class for grade 10 English. So today we are going to see a supplementary reader lesson Boli written by the author K.A. Abbas. Let's see the author introduction. So his full name is Waja Ahmed Abbas. Waja Ahmed Abbas. So he was known as K.A. Abbas and he was a prominent director and a screenwriter in the Indian film industry. Right children? And he is known for his best works in Urdu, Hindi and English also, right? And he has been a part of some of the most iconic films in the history of Indian cinema. Apart from this, he was also a journalist for the Bombay Chronicle. So Bombay Chronicle, here it refers the name of the newspaper, right? So he was also a journalist for the Bombay Chronicle and then the Blitz. Right children? He was born on 7th June 1914 in Panipat, India. So do you know Panipat? Yes. So he was born on 7th June 1914 in Panipat, India. He was graduated from the Aligarh Muslim University and studied both English literature and law. So he studied both English literature and law. Right children? Then next, he was known for dealing with nationalistic themes and socially conscious issues in his movies. So he used to write the social issues, right? And some of his final works as screenwriter included The Naxalites. So these are the name of the movies. These are the name of the movies. He had written the screenplay for this movies, right children? So the movies are The Naxalites, Akansha and Ek Admi and Mr. X. These are the movies which were written by him, right children? And he died at the age of 72 on 1st June 1987. He died at the age of 72 on 1st June 1987. Right children? These are the details of the author K.A. Abbas. Let's get into the lesson. So this is the summary of this lesson. Listen carefully children, then only you could understand the lesson thoroughly, right? So this story is about a little village girl named Sulekha. The little girl name is Sulekha, but since her childhood everyone called her Boli. Actually her original name was Sulekha, but since her childhood everyone called her Boli. Why everyone called her Boli means, listen carefully, because Boli was the fourth daughter of Nambardar Ramlal. Nambardar Ramlal, he was the father of Sulekha. He was the father of Sulekha, and Boli was the fourth daughter of Nambardar Ramlal. Right children? And she had fallen off the cart. She had fallen off the cart when she was just 10 months old. When she was 10 months old, she had fallen off from the cart. Okay, so perhaps some part of her brain was damaged. Some part of her brain was damaged because she had fallen off from the cart when she was 10 months old. Right children? Because of this, due to this reason, she stammered to talk. Stammered here it refers stuttered. Stuttered means already we have learned this word. Stuttered. Stuttered means திக்கி பேசுறது. Okay. So she stuttered to talk to everyone. That's why everyone called her Boli. That's why everyone called her Boli, the simpleton. Simpleton means not very clever, because her brain was damaged, so that she cannot able to talk clearly as others. So that she was called as Boli the simpleton. Right, children? And also, not only this, she was a fair and pretty girl. At the time of her birth, she was fair and a beautiful girl. She was a beautiful and a pretty girl at the time of her birth. But when she was 2 years old, she was attacked by smallpox. She was attacked by smallpox. Right, children? Only her eyes were saved. But the entire body was permanently disfigured. Disfigured here it refers the collapse of the figure. Okay, her body figure was totally collapsed by the deep black pock marks. Pock marks here it refers the smallpox marks. So after the attack of smallpox, there will be some small black spots on our body. Okay, it causes some black spots on our body. அதாவது கருப்பு கருப்பா தழும்பு ஏற்பட்டுரும் இல்லையா, that is called pock marks. Okay, so here also this girl also disfigured by deep black pock marks. Right, children? And she couldn't speak till she was 5. So at the age of 5 only, she learned how to talk. That time also she didn't speak clearly. She stammered. Stammered means she stuttered. Right, children? So by seeing this, others, that is other children often made fun of her. So that because of this fear, because all the children were made fun of her. And so that the Boli didn't talk to anyone. And also whenever she wants to talk, she talked very little. So she didn't talk to anyone. Because others will laugh at her. She didn't talk to anyone. Right, children? And she reduced her talking to others. So she talked very little. Right, children? And next what happened means Ramlal, that is Nambardar Ramlal, he was the father of 7 children. So 3 sons and 4 daughters. And Boli was the 4th daughter. Boli was the youngest of all. And this Ramlal was a prosperous farmer's household, and there was plenty to eat and drink. Normally, that is the Ramlal and Boli. Both of them were very rich. They were wealthy family. Because even though they had 7 children, they lived very wealthy. They lived very wealthy and they had enough to eat and drink. They had enough to eat and drink. Right, children? And every child was healthy. Every child, that is, all the 6 children were healthy except Boli. Sorry, all the 7 children were healthy except Boli. Right, children? The sons were sent to study in the city. The sons, that is her brothers, Boli's brothers, were sent to study their higher studies in the city. And Boli had 3 sisters. Boli had 3 sisters. First sister name is Radha. Second sister name is Mangla. Third sister name is Champa. And she was the 4th of all. She was the 4th of all. Her name is, already I said in the beginning. What is her name? Her name is Sulekha. Right? So, Radha, Mangla, Champa, Sulekha. These are the 4 daughters of Ramlal. Sulekha, after since her childhood itself, Sulekha was called as Boli. So, Sulekha and Boli are same. Don't confuse yourself. Right, children? So, because of her physical problem, because of her because of her problem only, she was called as Boli by others. Right, children? And there was no difficulty. That is, all the girls except Boli, all the girls except Boli were good looking and healthy. Good looking and healthy. So, there was no difficulty. There was no difficulty in marrying them. There was no difficulty in marrying them. But Ramlal was worried about Boli. Ramlal was worried about Boli. Why he was worried about Boli? Because she was not a normal child. No, she was not a normal girl. Since she was a physically challenged child, he was worried about Boli. Right, children? And she had neither good look nor intelligent, because Boli is not an educated girl and Boli was not a good looking girl. Right? So that he was worried about, that is, Ramlal was worried about Boli. Right, children? And one day, a primary school was opened in the village. One day, a primary school was opened in the village by the Tahsildar. By the Tahsildar. And the Tahsildar informed, that is, the Tahsildar asked Ramlal to set an example. And send all his daughters to school, because Ramlal, he was a revenue officer. He was a revenue officer, and also he was he served as a representative of the government in the village. The Tahsildar asked him to set an example. How to set an example? By sending all his daughters to school. He would be an example of others. Right, children? எப்படின்னு பார்த்தனா, இப்போ அவர் ஸ்கூலுக்கு அனுப்புனா மற்றவங்களும் வந்து என்ன பண்ணுவாங்க? They'll also send their children to school, no? So that the Tahsildar asked Ramlal to set an example of others by sending all his daughters to school. Right, children? But the Ramlal, he had no courage to disobey the Tahsildar. Right? He had no courage to disobey the Tahsildar. So the next day, what happened means, he convinced, because at the very first time when he informed to his wife, that is, when the Ramlal informed to his wife that he is going to send all his daughters to school, at the very first time, his wife didn't accept it because he sorry, that is his wife accepted other three girls to send to school except Boli, because she didn't accept Boli to study in school. Right, children? So, however, finally, Boli was sent to school. However, Boli was sent to school. So, on the first day of school, Boli was bathed. Oil was rubbed into her matty hair and she was given a clean dress that no more fitted Champa, because she was not properly taken care of. She was not properly taken care of by her parents, because since she was a unusual child, her parents didn't consider her, okay, didn't take care of her properly. So on the day of, that is on the first day of school, Boli was bathed, oil was rubbed into her matty hair, and she was given a clean dress that no more fitted Champa. That is also an old dress already. It was used by Champa. So that dress was given to whom? Boli, right? So then Boli started to think that school was a better place than home. So Boli, how did she think? She started to think that school was a better place than home. At school, so at school what happened means Boli was very happy to see so many girls, of her age, and hoped to be friend one of them. So what happened means, the teacher at school, the teacher asked her name. But she couldn't pronounce it properly because she had a problem of stuttering. Since that she couldn't pronounce her name properly. Right, children? Boli was ashamed that even after so many efforts, she couldn't pronounce her name properly. Right, children? So by seeing this, all the children were laughing at her. All the children of the class were laughing at her because she was stuttering to speak. Right, children? So by seeing this, Boli started to cry. But the teacher of the class was very friendly. And sympathetic, and encouraged her to try again. So at last, Boli succeeded in saying her name, Boli. Right? At last, she pronounced her name like Boli. Right? So at last, finally, she pronounced her name properly. So after hearing that, the teacher of the class patted her for her success, patted on her shoulder and appreciated her for her success. And also the teacher encouraged her and also assured her that very soon she would start speaking like all others without stammering, that is stuttering. That is, the teacher encouraged her that very soon she would start speaking like all others without stuttering. That right? And she gave her, that is, the teacher gave a picture book. The teacher gave a picture book to Boli and hoped that she would finish it within a month. So what she wants to do means she wants to complete the book by reading it properly within a month. Right, children? The teacher encouraged and assured Boli that she would be the most learned girl in the whole village. So the teacher is the main part of her life. So she encouraged her a lot, and she assured that Boli would be the most learned girl in the whole village. Right, children? So years passed like this, and also that village has turned into a small town. Now it is a small town. Right, children? One night what happened means an offer for marriage came from a prosperous grocer Bishamper. Right? Bishamper, he wanted to marry Boli. So he was very rich. That is the man. Bishamper, he was very rich, and he had his own house and thousands of rupees in the bank. He was very rich. Who is very rich? Bishamper. He wanted to marry Boli. Right, children? And this is the Bishamper also. He was almost of the same age as of her father. That is, his age was Boli's father's age. Not nearly, he was exactly an old man. And also he limped. Limpedna வந்து ஒரு கால் நொண்டி நடப்பாங்க இல்லையா? That is. So both he was an old man and also he limped at one leg. Right, children? And also he had also grown up children from his first wife. Already he got married. Who got married? Bishamper. Already he got married, and also he had grown up children from his first wife. Again he wanted to marry Boli. Right, children? Boli also accepted, that is, Boli also agreed to marry Bishamper because she wanted to keep the honor of her family. Though Bishamper was an old man, though he was already got married, she wanted to marry. She agreed to marry Bishamper. Right, children? On the wedding day, what happened means Bishamper came with a large party of friends and relatives. On the wedding day, Bishamper came with a large party of friends and relatives. So when Bishamper was ready to garland Boli, garland means mala podradhu. So when she was ready to garland Boli, he happened to see her face suddenly, because till then Bishamper didn't see the face of Boli. Okay, till then he didn't see the face of Boli. Now only he happened to see her face. So after seeing her face, he started to cry. And he refused to marry her because her face was fully filled with pockmarks. Because of smallpox. The deep impact was on her face, so that she looked very ugly. So by seeing her face, she didn't accept to marry her. So this time she put a condition. So after hearing this, Ramlal fell down at his feet. to marry his daughter. Right, children? So, Ramlal fell down at Bishampar's feet to beg him to marry Boli. Right, children? But that stone-hearted Bishampar didn't accept to marry her. He put a condition. What condition means? If her father gave him 5,000 rupees as dowry, means he agreed to marry. That is, if Ramlal gave 5,000 rupees as dowry to Bishampar, means he would marry Boli, because since she was a ugly girl, okay, he asked 5,000 rupees to Ramlal to marry Boli. Right, children? So, at the end, what happened means Ramlal hurriedly went inside home and came out with a bundle of notes of 5,000 rupees and put it at the feet of Bishampar. And asked him to marry Boli. Right, children? When Bishampar was about to garland Boli, she snatched and threw away the garland into the fire. She threw away the garland into the fire. What happened means next, she spoke that she would not marry a mean, greedy and coward like Bishampar. So, she didn't want to marry such a mean means mosamana, right? So, she didn't want to marry a mean, greedy and a coward like Bishampar. Like that, she shouted at Bishampar in front of everyone. Boli insulted Bishampar like mean, greedy and coward in front of everyone. Right, children? Because of her, by seeing this act of Boli, by seeing this furious and brave act of Boli, everyone, including her parents, were shocked and also they were amazed. Why they were amazed means this is the first time she talked very clearly without any stuttering. Boli spoke very clearly in front of everyone without stuttering. Right, children? So, then next what happened means, so Ramlal, that is the father of Boli, he called her crazy. And asked what she would do. Hereafter. Because no one would ever marry her. Hereafter. Because of her angry, because of her act in front of everyone, no one would ever marry her. Like that, he told to her daughter, Ramlal. Right, children? And he was very much worried about Boli. Right? But Boli replied very courageously. She replied that she would serve her parents. In their old age and teach in the same school from where she had learnt so much. So how did she reply? She replied that she would serve her parents till her old age, and also she would teach in the same school where she had learnt so many things. Where she had learnt so many things. So she wanted to become a teacher of the school where she had learnt, and also she wanted to serve her parents till their old age. Right, children? So by seeing this, her teacher was standing in a corner and watching everything what had happened in the marriage, and she accepted, and also she said that is Boli's teacher said that she agreed to serve as teacher in the school. That is, she agreed Boli to serve as a teacher in the school. Right, children? So this is the main points and the summary of the lesson. So in the beginning, she was a dumb cow. Dumb cow means how to tell? She doesn't speak to everyone. She was a dumb. She was a dumb. So after her education, after she learnt everything, her total attitude was totally changed. Her whole attitude and the behavior and the mindset, everything was totally changed. Right, children? I hope that have you all understood the lesson? So I hope that everyone has understood very well. Let's see the theme of the lesson. So what is the theme actually? So Boli was a very shy girl. In the beginning, Boli was a very shy girl. She used to stammer, that is stutter, but a lot of change took place in her personality when she joined school. When she joined school, there was a lot of change in her personality. Right, children? And also her teacher helped to change the direction of her life. She showered a lot of love and affection on her and gave her a new hope. So in the beginning itself, I told you, her teacher is the main source of her development. Her teacher was the main source of her development. So without her teacher, I don't think so that she would become this much. Right, children? She helped her, that is Boli's teacher helped her to gain confidence and faith in herself. Right? And Boli's teacher asked her to give up all her fears, because the fear is the first enemy of our success. So if we give up the fear, we would automatically develop in our life. So that Boli's teacher asked her to give up all her fears. Right, children? She learned to face all the problems of her life with courage and confidence. So her teacher advised her to face all the problems of her life, with full of courage and confidence. Okay. And towards the end, Boli was referred by her real name Sulekha, because she had grown wiser and more self-confident. So at the after getting the education, after the changing of personality only, she was called as Sulekha by others. So far, how they have called Boli the simpleton, is it not? So after that only, after getting the education only, he was called as Sulekha, right? And she had grown wiser and more self-confidence. Right, children? All this was possible because of her education and her teachers training. Not only the development was done by not only the education but also the teachers training. Right, children? So what we are coming to learn from this lesson, actually family and emotional security has a great impact on the children, right? And the story stresses on the fact that disabled children must be treated like the other normal children of the class, because whenever she goes to school, at her class everyone was laughed at her, and also everyone everyone made fun of her. Okay, so what the author coming to say in this lesson means the disabled children must be treated like other normal children, must be treated like other normal children. This is what her teacher done, this is what her teacher done, and also she soon become a well-groomed person and finally developed her personality. Right, children? We should not, what we should not do? We should not isolate anyone. We should not isolate anyone. Though they were disabled, though they were physically challenged, we should encourage them. We should encourage them and we should show our love and caring towards them. So, if we lighten them a little, if we lighten them a little, they will glow as a big fire. They will glow as a big fire. So, what do you have to do? At least how much as possible for us, we should give a support to the type of persons. Okay, so instead of hurting, that is instead of helping anyone, at least we should not hurting them. We should not be hurting them. Instead of helping them, we should not be hurting them. Right, children? So the main thing is the education and the caring of the teacher totally developed the personality of Boli. Right, children? This is the main thing of the lesson. I hope that everyone would understand the lesson very well. So if you have any doubt, ask me in the today's live class. Right? And this is your homework. So I've given 9 questions. You want to find out the answers for these 9 questions. Right, children? Thank you for watching this video. Stay home, stay safe. Bye. Take care.